Time is 6:01 p.m. and we'll let it run for 5 minutes. You can see it's probably sitting around 45 psi, and this is on the cold water side. The time's now 6:07 p.m. and we're still right about 45 there. I'm gonna go check the hotline next. To clarify, the water was turned on and the pressure gauge was put onto the valve, and then I turned this on and then went downstairs and turned the water back off. Now it holds the pressure, shows that the house is holding pressure, which means anything in this area is also holding pressure. This is on the hot water side, and the time is 6:14. See, it's just above 45. So we'll check it in about 5 minutes. So the time is now 6:23 p.m. The needle has not moved. We're still hovering just above 45. So that's been quite a while. I got distracted on a phone call, so this has been going for more than 5 minutes, and I think this is showing that both lines have held pressure, that there is no active leak